Let's see what we got here.
Dip a taco shell in some cake mix.
What are you
Make sure we fully cover that.
doing?
Now that it's completely covered, we want to dip it in some
Cake
waffle.
mix?
Cake mix? She could be making a dessert or something. Hopefully. What are those layered things? It's got like a breaded fried shell inside is another shell, but cake mix?
Gentle, don't burn your fingers.
Oh,
This should be done.
you're doing too much.
Transfer that over here.
You're doing too much.
Now we're going to take another taco
Tortilla,
shell, place it inside,
carne,
hold its shape.
onions, cilantro.
We're going to remove our taco shells and place them into our taco holder.
Oh, y'all be doing the most out here.
I love her
What's
lipstick.
going on here?
Her lipstick. is
What now?
really nice.
What now?
And we're going to melt some chocolate. Set that in there. See how that's steaming? That's going to melt our chocolate nicely. So
I do see it.
That's how
I do
you
see
melt
it.
chocolate.
fill our tacos.
Oh,
How many of us did not realize that's how you melt chocolate? Because I'm over here trying to microwave and burning chocolate. I'm just saying, I haven't done it in a long time. I was young when I did it, back when I was burning grilled cheese sandwiches, but continue on.
boy.
It's the best dessert ever. I'm going to take a banana,
Oh,
chop that nice
Oh.
and fine.
why is that Loki looking kind of fire?
Place them inside.
Play some, girl. Play some.
Now we've
Play
got
some, girl.
All right.
Chop these up
A little
with
health.
nice and fine.
Sprinkle a little health in there. I like it.
Sprinkle some powdered sugar.
All right, it is better.
Scoop up some ice cream here.
Oh, it's even better. That face.
Alright, now last one here.
I got
Last but not
Baba's
least,
full.
We're gonna add some sprinkles. You can add whatever tacos you like here.
You
There
did
you
it.
go.
You did.
Yes, please.